Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another unboxing video. In this video we're gonna talk about iBall Booster. This is a 5.1 speaker. Now if sound clarity is your first preference, then probably you should buy this, and it will cost you around 6,000 rupees in Indian market. The total output is 120 RMS, so which is quite loud. And let's go ahead and unbox this device and we'll do the sound demonstration after that. Later on my feedback, and at the end of this video we'll also see some photographs of it. Do let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll try to revert them as soon as possible. Also subscribe my channel. It takes 4 hours to shoot the video, edit it and upload on YouTube. So all I'm asking is a subscribe from you guys. I hope you can understand. So yeah, it will encourage me to make some more videos for you. So without waiting, let's get started with the unboxing first.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
Alright, my feedback. I must say, as I told at the very beginning of this video, if you're looking for sound clarity, this is the one. By the way, my camera battery got died, so I have to charge it for an hour. And trust me, the entire 1 hour I was playing this home theater. And trust me, the clarity is amazing. Now if you're looking for clarity, now if you crave about, I want clarity on speaker, and that should not be more than 10,000 rupees. So this is the one for you. 6,000 rupees, great clarity. Usually I give feedback to get a demo before you purchase, but for this one I can really say that if you're getting a good deal online below 6,000, go ahead and purchase it without a demo. I'm sure you'll like it. Now you must be thinking about the bass. How is the bass? Of course the bass is good. As you look the size of this speaker, which is almost like 6 inches wide. So the bass is not that heavy. It cannot shake your door or windows. However, it is adequate to match the speaker. As the clarity is fabulous, so I think below 6,000 this is a great deal. I have listened for an hour all Arijit songs, all slow songs. I like Zubin Nautiyal and Arijit, and I played almost an hour. This is really a best speaker for clarity. Yes, it is. Now bass is great, but it's not that heavy or like T60X, if you know about the tower. So that was my review about the speaker. Of course, yes, you can buy this if you're looking for clarity, and it has all the connectivity, Bluetooth, USB, FM. It does have this antenna. So yeah, I did check that FM radio. So I compared one of my speaker FM with this one. Certainly it receives better radio signal because of this antenna. So yes, this would be a wonderful purchase if you're looking for a complete package, all connectivity, clarity basically. And for the bass, if you're really looking for bass, then probably get a demo and then purchase. Now if you talk about that, yeah, bass I need, but not that heavy, I need clarity, that's my main concern, go ahead and purchase this. So I know this was a long video today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Do let us know in the comments if you have any question regarding any speaker. I will revert them as soon as possible. Please subscribe my channel. You're gonna get lots of video. So let's end the video here. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.